Good morning, everybody. It's 8:25 a.m. here in beautiful Marietta, Georgia, and trying to crank out some code. I'm not feeling great today. I had like stuff all up in my head congestion yesterday, and then today it seems to have moved more into my chest. But yeah, I can't take too many days off. Uh, Miss out the pay on that. So I am going to do a quick video and then hop on and get some work done at work today. Um, we are in a search and destroy sort of thing. I've gotten this idea in my head that basically we if I make too many references in general, I'm very likely to have memory leaks, and I want to get rid of that. And also, I won't be able to export or import if I have a lot of references in my objects. So basically, exporting an ST renderer should be very straightforward. With the exception of the calculated values, it's just a number. So it's just a lookup. And um, so we finished up that, and that's good. Um, it looks like we have a lot of imports that we no longer need because all they're taking is numbers. Um, so now I think the next one is scene. Oof. Of course, scene is going to be the most difficult one, I think, because this looks like, yeah. Oh no, so we want to make this IDs, and then we want to get rid of this, or we want the oh wait, three scene. This is weird. Because well, I bet you we don't even use this at all now. But yeah, that is so strange. That really threw me for a loop. Delete, delete that. Wait a second. Oh no, okay. Now that's yeah, that's right. Well, I was like, so I should be getting a three scene ID, which is actually our template ID as well. Our template, I don't think it's template, our visualization ID. So there should be an services animation. So this is our three scene. Where are you? Scene is this guy that we're at, but there should be an equivalent. Three, yeah, three, and then let's close that one up and open this one up. So it knows how to create a stream. It has its own scene. Okay, so we can actually get the scene by the scene ID, and we do have the scene, so we don't need that. We don't. I don't think we actually need this, so let's go ahead and get rid of it and see what breaks. Now we got to try to remember, like wherever, if it does something is actually getting that scene, the three scene somewhere that we need to uh, get do a get. Um, so hold the control button down. This scene service get scene by ID. What in the world? Oh, create base scene. Wow, that is a mind bender to me. Seeing that's this thing. All right. So basically, all I'm doing is copying. So just without having to think too much, like I guess my brain just isn't functioning very well today. I can just move that down there. Some days, you're looking at things and everything makes sense. Some days are a struggle. Today's gonna be a struggle. Okay, we have another one. And again, I did the exact same pattern. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, okay. So this gets my ST scene based on the scene ID, but I want to get the 3 scene for it. And that I think I have to get from the 3 scene service, or it's just called scene service. So let's see, do we have it? We do not have the scene service. We have ST scene service, but not scene service. So let's see if we can do that. Felt like I would be enjoying this more um, if it was called 3 um, scene service instead of scene service or TH or something. This scene service. Wait, that was weird. And it's always nice when you have the blue. Go. And then let's see, we want to get a scene. And when we declare it this way, that means that this function won't, I mean, this variable won't live past this if statement. So that is super, super duper safe. It's equal to this dot scene service. And we'll get the scene ID from the renderer. The renderer knows what the scene ID is. Oh, I need to call a function. And then hopefully I can just change this to scene. All right, so I get a 3 scene here. This is when I want to render by ID. Okay, so yeah, I think I definitely need this scene. And this is in fact our 3 scene. And then we don't. Let's see, the monitor went out when the dog ran into the table. I'm having so many equipment issues lately. Um, I noticed that my microphone is acting strange. Like sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's not. It has like sometimes it gets a static in it. We have to try something else. But anyways, I don't think okay, I don't need STC at all anymore. And I feel like that reads a lot easier. It would be nice if it's a 3 scene service. I guess I just commented that out. Let's hit save. See if that fixes our issues or if we have more. Dang it. Did it compile? Kinda, I don't know. I'm going to kill it and restart it. While we're sitting here waiting for this, I was definitely thinking about the animations, and that is a tough one because I know I kicked doing the animations in a like orderly way for down the road, and it's stinks if this little effort here to just clean up the deletes and stuff ends up having us to completely rebuild or do the animation service too. If you were like just like working someplace, you'd be like, we shouldn't be working on the animation service right now. But the way all that stuff is stored, I think we're gonna be forced into it. Come on. It's wild that it's taking that long, this long. Okay, here we go. See if things still work. Oh, it broke, guys. Huh. Let's see. Yeah. Um, let's see what time is it? 8:37. We're still good for time. And yeah, so in my anime it says over here something crazy starts happening. Let's see if we change views if we'll get to there. All right. So ST scene. So it's saying ST scene is undefined. That this get seen by ID didn't work. So I guess we want to be over here. It kind of seems like this guy is passing in stuff that doesn't exist. Right. Let's try it again. Add viz. So funny. I thought this was going to be the easier one. It's crazy how often I get that wrong. All right. So ST scene doesn't exist. And basically it's the same line. Get seen by ID. Let's refresh. All right. So here's where it goes to get its first ST scene. ST scene service exists. Okay, so let's step into the get seen by ID. All right, so this scene dictionary, we do have one. I don't know how you tell the ID. Oh, its ID is 3. This ID is undefined. Let's work our way up the get rid of this one. I don't think it's useful anymore. Is get seen by ID. So here's where it died. Oh no, okay, so it's good here. Oh, and then it was bad there, I think. Fresh out of his first time this gets called, it's good. It's getting called from creating the base renderer. Then it gets called a second time, and it's bad. And that's when it's getting called. I guess it's getting called here in this create animation screen. Oh, I wonder if it's the okay, st render. Oh, deleted as false. Step into there. Oh no. Okay, let's go up here. Get seen by ID. So this st renderer exists. Oh, and it has a. Oh, it doesn't have a scene ID. Oh yeah, it does. St scene ID. That is weird. See, if I go over here, I could see if I mouse over that, it shows that there's a st render, an st scene ID. Oh no, it says that st scene ID is undefined. So I wonder if this is something we did not used to have this problem though. St scene, st render deleted. Yeah, so this is a new problem. I'm kind of halfway thinking, okay, I want to kind of start from scratch because we haven't done any like actual work yet. So, um, and then sort of start working through remembering that, hey, this is going to break. Create animation function. Okay, so create animation function. Well, it's weird because the first time through this same code works. So something, I guess, is wiping out the STID. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Anyways, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Happy coding. Bye.